Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew, Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can create your own melodies or samples, more so samples that you guys can then make and, you know, flip yourself, or maybe you want to sell them down the road. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead, pull up what we got. This is a sampler. And all I did was go into my stamp, and I went down to Phrygian, and I put it in the scale of D. So D, and so it's in Phrygian D. So we're gonna create our own sample. I'm gonna go to like a, we'll try 130. I like to do more, just different BPMs. We might switch it around, but then when we save it, we can also just drag it in and change the BPM of that sample. We could shift the key, or we could keep it the same. But besides the point, I'm gonna start off with the piano, so we get the main melody down. So what I just did was I shifted everything to C minor, or the C Phrygian. So sorry, it took a little bit to kind of get this going. I'm gonna copy everything, move it over here once, and then we're gonna get rid of all these top melodies. There's something that we want, we can re-add. So it's kind of pretty ominous and dark. This is like really. We'll just randomize velocity. I'm just clicking Control A and then Alt A. Something like in the background a little bit. We'll grab the Jupiter real quick. Right there. let's add another element. Oh, this is the flute, that one. Alright, so we could go about this two different ways. I could just bounce. What I'm gonna do is bounce this real quick. Where is, I'm gonna put the RC20 real quick. So I'm gonna do this. Alright, so I'm gonna bounce this real quick, and then I'm gonna pull up a new session with this sample, and you guys will kind of see how we can flip it around different ways. So bouncing it out real quick. Dun, 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 dun. Save. New. Let's make sure it pulls up the pack. Yep. So let's go like 160. Then we go right here. Let's just do normalize, auto detect, type BPM. 130. We could even do something like this. Make unique. Stretch it. So I'm just like cooking something up on the spot real quick. So we might probably be, one thing you could do to figure out the key now is since it just created this, I'm gonna drag it, drop it into my key finder, run batch analysis, E minor. So I'm using the AT Soundkit 4. If you guys want to use these same drum samples, go to the description down below. This might be like slightly Control A. You can kind of get the vibes. Just something cooked up real quick. We made it all from scratch and it sounds like a sample. So yeah, that's kind of how you guys can make your own samples and then flipping them into a beat. I know the last part was kind of extra, flipping it into a beat, but should give you guys a good head start. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you guys want the samples that were used, like the drums and 808, go to beatit.com. This is the AT Sound Kit 4. I'll put the link to that in the description as well. Be sure to subscribe, guys, as we are dropping more and more YouTube videos and tutorials for you guys to learn more music production and beat making skills. This is Andrew, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.